Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to work through a new topic, and the topic is how you can add apps to desktop on laptop in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to visit on your desktop and then just click to this personalized options, and then you will come over that place. Once you come over here, then go to the themes, and then you just need to click on desktop icon setting. Once you click over here, right now you can see you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. So I am not activated yet, that's why I'm not able to use that one. So here you can see, but if you are activated yet, then you can easily use this one. Now you just need to come over that place and then select any apps as you want. Just click on start, or you can go through these options. So let's say I'm going to refresh this one, and then I will click this one, and I just want to place this zoom as a by default in our desktop. So I just need to place it here. Just go over here and then search for zoom. Let's search for zoom, and then you just need to drag and drop in here. So this is the easiest way. So I will just drag and drop in here, then it will be placed in here. So it is the simplest one. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.